Welcome to Bestsellers Market, where we bring you the top-rated products you need to know about. Today, we're diving into the world of technology as we count down the best-selling sensor products on Amazon. These cutting-edge gadgets are making waves with their innovation and performance, and we're here to showcase the top picks that are capturing everyone's attention. So, without further ado, let's get started and explore the best in sensor technology. Number 5 on our countdown of the best-selling sensors on Amazon is the Mass Airflow Sensor Meter, MF, 22687 S000, designed to be compatible with a range of Nissan and Infiniti models from 2003 to 2019. At its core, this sensor performs a single, crucial task. It measures the amount of air entering your engine. The Engine Control Unit, ECU, relies on this information to precisely calculate the optimal fuel needed, ensuring that your vehicle runs efficiently with the perfect air-fuel ratio. Developed to enhance engine performance, this MAF sensor boasts exceptional thermal stability and improves fuel efficiency. It provides clear, stable signals and has been rigorously computer tested to guarantee that your ECU receives accurate airflow readings, even under demanding engine conditions. Durability is key, and Toyota's MAF sensor is built with high-quality materials and advanced technology to meet OEM specifications. With a rapid response time of just 15 milliseconds and an output curve tolerance of less than 2%, this sensor is engineered for precision. Installation is a breeze. Replace the old sensor in about 10 minutes. Remember to clean out the airbox and replace the air filter before you install the new sensor. Disconnecting the battery's ground wire will reset the warning light, which will disappear, allowing your vehicle to operate smoothly once more. This $20 replacement can save you from a $200 repair fee, making it a cost-effective solution for your engine management needs. Backed by a 12-month warranty, if you encounter any issues with your MAF sensor, Toyota offers a full refund or a brand new replacement. So, if you're looking for reliability, performance, and a straightforward fix, this Mass Airflow sensor is your go-to choice. At number 4 on our countdown of the top-selling sensors on Amazon is the A Premium Camshaft Position Sensor Set, a vital component for your Nissan or Infiniti vehicle. This set includes both the left and right camshaft position sensors, designed to be compatible with a wide array of models. Whether you drive a Nissan 350Z, Altima, Maxima, Murano, Quest, Frontier, Pathfinder, or Xterra, or an Infiniti FX35, G35, I35, or M35, this sensor set is engineered to fit seamlessly. Why does this matter? The camshaft position sensors play a critical role in monitoring the camshaft's position, which directly impacts engine performance and efficiency. These sensors send real-time data to the Engine Control Unit, ECU, ensuring precise timing and optimal engine operation. Each sensor in this set is equipped with 3 terminals and features a blade terminal type, all housed in a sleek black casing. With meticulous design and quality, you can trust these sensors to meet OEM specifications and deliver reliable performance. Here's what sets this sensor set apart. A Premium offers a 1-year unlimited mileage guarantee, so you can drive with confidence, knowing that support is always available. The set comes packaged in a secure box, ensuring safe delivery and easy handling. Whether you're looking to replace faulty sensors or perform a preventive upgrade, this A Premium Camshaft Position Sensor Set provides a straightforward, reliable solution. Make the smart choice today and keep your engine running smoothly with A Premium. Coming in at number 3 in our countdown of the top-selling sensors on Amazon is the ACDelco Gold 213, 4514 Engine Coolant Temperature Sensor. When it comes to engine performance, the temperature sensor is more than just a component. It's a linchpin for ensuring your engine operates within its optimal temperature range. ACDelco, a name synonymous with reliability, brings you this premium aftermarket replacement sensor designed to meet and exceed your expectations. Crafted with precision, the ACDelco Gold 213, 4514, isn't just about fitting the bill. It's engineered to deliver performance and dependability that you've come to expect from ACDelco's line of high-quality parts. The sensor is meticulously manufactured to ensure perfect fit, form, and function, aligning seamlessly with your vehicle's specifications. Why settle for less when you can have the best? This engine coolant temperature sensor promises accuracy, durability, and reliability. It's not just an upgrade, it's a commitment to maintaining the health and efficiency of your engine. So if you're looking for a sensor that offers both exceptional performance and peace of mind, look no further than the ACDelco Gold 213, 4514. It's the smart choice for keeping your engine running smoothly and efficiently. Are you enjoying our countdown of the top-selling sensors on Amazon? If you're feeling sensational about these picks, give us a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and press the bell icon so you won't miss any of our electrifying updates. At number 2 in our countdown of the top-selling sensors on Amazon is the Marsflex Oxygen O2 Sensor 234, 4622. Designed to deliver precision and performance, this downstream heated sensor is your key to optimizing engine efficiency and extending component lifespan. Before you make your purchase, ensure that this sensor is the right fit for your vehicle. Carefully check the compatibility details in the product description and compare the part pictures with those of your current sensor. A perfect match is essential, especially the plug, because even slight discrepancies can prevent a proper fit. The Marsflex Oxygen O2 Sensor is compatible with a range of models, including the Toyota Camry, various trims and years, Avalon, Sienna, 4Runner, RAV4, Solara, Matrix, Lexus ES300, and Pontiac Vibe. Whether you're working with a Camry LE, SE, XLE, or any of the other compatible vehicles, this sensor promises to deliver outstanding results. Crafted from high-quality materials, this sensor is built for durability and longevity. It's engineered to enhance engine performance, boost fuel economy, and prolong the life of your catalytic converter. Installation is straightforward, thanks to its OE specification design. With a total length of 16.5 inches, it fits seamlessly into place, ensuring a hassle-free setup. Marsflex stands by the quality of its products with a 1-year warranty. Each sensor undergoes rigorous testing to ensure it meets or exceeds original equipment specifications. So if you're in the market for an oxygen sensor that combines reliability with exceptional performance, the Marsflex O2 Sensor 234, 4622 is the optimal choice. Rounding out our top 5 countdown at number 1 is the Offset Oxygen Sensor Socket, a tool designed to elevate your repair game with precision and ease. Crafted from premium chrome molybdenum steel, this socket is built to handle the toughest jobs. It's engineered to apply maximum torque, ensuring that every oxygen sensor is assembled and functions with pinpoint accuracy. This tool doesn't just meet, but exceeds ANSI ASME standards, proving its durability and reliability. What sets this socket apart is its thoughtful design. The slotted offset configuration allows you to access the oxygen sensor from the side while the harness remains connected. This feature is crucial for preventing damage to delicate wires. Compact and versatile, this 3/8 inches drive socket offers extra leverage, making it easier to tackle those hard-to-reach spots. Measuring 7/8 inches, 22 mm, it's universal enough to fit most oxygen sensors and works seamlessly with any 3/8 inches drive ratchet or breaker lever. The offset drive gate is specifically designed to help you navigate around tight spaces, ensuring you can work efficiently and effectively, even in challenging environments. The Offset Oxygen Sensor Socket is your go-to tool for removing and installing oxygen sensors with ease, saving you time and effort. Whether you're dealing with stubborn sensors or working in confined spaces, this tool will help you maintain your car's emission system and optimize fuel consumption. What's included? One high-quality offset oxygen sensor socket, ready to meet your needs. Should you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. We're committed to providing support and will respond within 24 hours. Upgrade your toolbox with this essential and experience the convenience and performance it brings to your automotive repairs. We hope you enjoyed our countdown of the top-selling sensors on Amazon. To keep up with all the best sellers, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Don't forget to check the pinned comment for links to all the featured products we discussed. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.